play along. I'm talking now. We're talking about doing a basic improvisation over the interlude in My Girl. And the interlude is just one measure of C, one measure of F, alternating back and forth for 8 measures. And we're using the notes in the chord. That's all we're doing for right now. So the notes available in the C major chord, the notes available in the F chord. And I'm using my finger picking technique. We're just staying on the A string for now. So I'm just using my ring finger. You can use your thumb. You can use the classical guitar technique. See what works for you. Now, here's the rhythm that we're going at. Let me let Pam in. Hang on. Okay. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now an F chord. I'm just making my chords with my left hand, but I'm just plucking the A string, and this is called quarter notes right on the beat. Now we're going to do eighth notes. Quarter notes, eighth notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and quarter notes. We're going to mix it up. That's doing a solo on one string. Now let's bring the E string to the party. You ready? A 1, 2, 3, 4. Just making the chords with my left hand, that's it. Quarter notes, eighth notes. Let's bring the C string to the party and see what we can come up with. You ready? 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes. Any of the notes will work. You can do this any way you want. Just stay in the pocket. Let's bring in the G string. Isn't that fun? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a little comp track for you. You're going to have to fast forward through this video to get to the good part. So we'll just do one pass over the interlude. So we've got our 8 measures there. So starting with C, a 2, 3, 4, a C. Oh, let me start the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, a C. F, C, F, C, F, C, F, and then we will sing, I guess you'd say, and so on. Oh, this is just too fun.